Well, it's about that time of year, so we set up the pool, but we kind of got a problem. The inflatable ring at the top won't hold air. And yeah, even as it is, the water's going to spill out if I don't fill it up again. We've looked around a couple hours, couldn't find the hole anywhere. Normally something like this would be easy to patch, but I just can't find the hole. So I come up with another idea. So this is my solution for the pool. Fill that ring full of these. They're about 3 to 4 millimeters, and you can get them in real big bags if you're looking at filling beanbag chairs. So off to Fusion to create my idea. I plan on using an air accelerator or Venturi type device to draw a vacuum and suck the beads into the area behind the nozzle, which will then blow them into the tube or the ring. Hopefully the round beads will flow through there with the airflow just like liquid, and it will disperse evenly around the entire tube. I'm using a piece of 60 millimeter outside clear tubing so you guys can see what's going on. I plan to stick that tube right inside the bag and tape the bag up to the tube, so that way when it creates a vacuum, the bag will contract, forcing all the beads into the feeder. I'm also designing an end cap that, in the case that I can't develop enough of a vacuum, I'll put the cap on, run another line that bleeds off of the first air line into the back and bleed some pressure off, so that'll even the pressure out and send more of the tubes or the beads flying. Hopefully I don't have to do this, as it's the slower way of doing it, and it might take me quite a few loads in this tube to fill that pool ring up. Once I'm done in Fusion, I'll print out all the parts, make sure everything fits nice on the tube, and go outside to test it out. Well, I have the basic unit together, and I'm going to use this smoke stick to see if it creates a vacuum. Well, that's obviously not going to work. Seems to be blowing more smoke out than it is sucking anything in. Well, back to the drawing board. So what I'm going to do is mirror the image, make another one of these for me to work with, and then start playing around with what I need to fix. Pretty sure I need to move the high pressure nozzle a lot closer to the end, or the farther in, where I'm going to be necking it down to about 6 millimeters to be able to get inside the original air filler vent on the ring, so I don't have to cut or tape anything up, and it'll do a lot nicer job. After playing around for a little bit, looks like I kind of got a decent part here. Gonna do some more tweaking, print it out, and we'll be back outside to test her out. Well, I'm back outside with the new and improved nozzle, an end cap on it this time, and we're ready to go. Oh yeah, filling up full of smoke. As you can see, it seems to be working. It is creating a vacuum and drawing the smoke up and pushing it out the nozzle. I also play around a little bit and see how much of a vacuum it actually draws, open and with the hole in the back of the cap. Seems to be decent. It should pull enough foam if it's completely full. Here's hoping. Alright, after a successful smoke test, I'm going to try it with some styrofoam beads. And another success. Looks like it blows the beads out pretty good. With a little help of gravity, but I'm sure once that tube is full, that should help everything. At this point, I am now waiting for mail. I don't have any more foam beads other than that small bag, which is definitely not going to fill the pool. So I have, I don't know, some ridiculous, I think it's 200 liters coming, and hopefully that's enough to fill the pool ring, or at least enough so that I can use the pool. Until then, all I got to do is machine the nozzle that goes inside the air filler hole on the pool ring, which will thread into the red air accelerator body. I'll make this up while I'm waiting for the mailman to bring me my phone. So I'll call this the end of part 1. But if you're still here and enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a good one.